Hi, this is Mr. Von Neumann. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link and sync apps in your Chrome toolbar and how to screenshot with Lightshot Chrome app. So the first thing that a lot of people get confused on is you have a Chrome toolbar up here. That is different than the Google account right here. So this would be logged into your regular Google account. You have to then go up into your Chrome toolbar and make sure you're logged in there as well. So you have to log into the Chrome toolbar right up here. And at a school district or at an institution, sometimes they will give you apps to your account. So at Oceanside Unified, for example, the district has given you many apps, but you have to have sync on. You have to be synced and linked in order to get those apps. So again, go up to your Chrome toolbar, click your profile, turn sync on, and it'll also ask you to link data. So you'll want to sync and link, and that will then give you all the apps that the district or your institution has given you. Now, let me go ahead and show you how to get a Chrome app and add it in. So Lightshot Chrome is the app we're going to use to take screenshots with. So Google Lightshot Chrome, and the Chrome Web Store will give it to you. All you have to do is just add it into Chrome, add the extension, and there it is. And here is an example of how to capture a screenshot with this. So say you wanted to get part of this image, just the head here. Touch Lightshot Chrome, select the area you want, and then save it. I always recommend if you're using a school computer, you save it into pictures so that you know where you've put it. Give it a title. And there you go. That is how you link and sync your Chrome toolbar, add an app to it, and screenshot. I hope this was helpful.